Wow, what an afternoon, isn't it? It's an absolutely beautiful afternoon. The sky is pretty blue with some streaks of cloud about, but really not a great deal of cloud. And it's been like this since, I guess, mid-morning. I've been working away on a project, but I thought it was time I had a stroll into town, did some shopping, and came and looked at the sea to make sure it's still there. It's a northeasterly breeze, about 20 or 25 knots, I think. So quite strong, as it were. Not a gale by any measure, but still breezy. A strong breeze, I guess you'd call it. And there's some nice little waves coming ashore. They're really quite nice shapes, and some of them are breaking a little bit out at sea, which is always a good indicator that they are decent sized waves. We'll have a look at this groin as well, I think. Not a lot of splashes, but nonetheless quite decent waves. But where I'm sitting here is just nicely out of the breeze, so I'm very happy to be here in the sunshine. If we keep having weather like this, I'm going to get my deck chair down and come down here and sit here for hours on end with a good book. I suppose outside the sands here it's probably quite rough, but we do have off-lying sands off Felixstowe, which tend to knock the seas down a bit further out, so we don't get huge waves here. I think these ones are quite decorative, aren't they? They're quite pretty looking. They look like waves without being very nasty. But nowhere near big enough to surf on, I'm afraid. I suppose you could get up on one or two of those, but you wouldn't be very far out, so you wouldn't have much of a ride on a wave. Don't know. Well, there you go. That's my little look at the sea today. And I shall get into gear and go and do my shopping. What a pain that is. No, it's not. I don't mind doing it. Okay, see you soon. I'm Chris. I hope you're having a nice day today in this sunny weather. Beautiful to see.